I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How do you know I needed someone like you in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had? I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life, and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you goes my way. The words can express how much I love you.
Rex!
Rex! Pakinggan naman natin ang ating Clash panel. Ano po ang masasabi ninyo?
Hi, Rex!
Hello po, Miss Ai.
Ito na, ito na. Ay, ito na.
Hindi, Rex, kasi kanina sinasabi ko kay Opa, sabi ko sa kanya, parang may slight katimbre mo siya. Unique yung sound ng boses mo. At saka ang gwapo mo rin, nagkawagan siya ka. Sa It's a Tang-Tang Ting-Tang-Tang. Congratulations!
Thank you po, Miss Ai. Salamat po.
Yung performance mo today, parang nahati ko in 3 acts. So sa first act, feel na feel ko ang iyong kaba at yung vibrato mo was all over the place. Iba yung vibrato mo dito, iba yung vibrato mo dito. Iba. So kailangan mong ma-hone pa po yun. And then yung second act po, parang okay, narinig na po namin ang How Did You Know so many times. Paano niya mababago to? Parang sa akin, hinahanap ko, kailangan ko pa ng mas may laban. Parang, gentlemen, yung mga kanta nyo ha, masyadong sweet this round. Pwede ba next round mas may angst ng konti, laban ng konti? Third act, I was pleasantly surprised. Nung binago mo yung note at yung feel at nung tinaas mo, parang, wow, meron pala siyang range na ganito. Kaya pala. So, kailangan mo lang ma-hone yun kasi may laban ka. Kasi you have it. You need to get it soon.
I will.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, JRB.
Salamat po.
Since na tatlo yung sinabi niyang yun, pagsamasamahin mo yun at hanapin mo yung song na yun sa susunod mong round. Kung ano yung perfect na song na yun para sa'yo na nababagay at inaakala mong mabibigyan mo ng hustisya.
Okay. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Clash panel, and thank you, Rex. JRB. Ngayon,